Hi all, this is Bando Picks doing an unboxing of some knives that I'm gonna be reviewing soon. So get this knife out to open it. How do we open it? Here we go. Oh. So we will be reviewing the Leatherman Free and the Leatherman Art. All right, just to keep going on this video, we will do an unboxing of these. Unbox the Free here. Oh, that's cool. What color is that? The lunar color. That's lunar. It's like a greenish color. Man, that's sweet. That's pretty sweet. So let's put everything back in the package. I don't think there's anything else I need. Oh, I do need this little card. There's that. So that's one of the items out of the box. And let's pull this one out of the box now. So it opens up. The Leatherman card. And there she is right there. I have more bits and stuff for all of this, but it's pretty sweet. Leatherman case and everything. Okay, let's put that on the, get this out of the way. So all this and this. See that Magna Cut blade? Oh, Magna Cut. You can see how this all fits together. So that little bit thing has like a little slot it can go into right there. There you go. You can see it good there. Yeah. Turned out good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I know this is the second time I'm saying please like and subscribe, but please like and subscribe. All right. Catch you next time. Bye.